Welcome to the Gourmet Code. In this video, we are going to teach you how to make the perfect poached egg. So let's get started. Step 1. Crack an egg into a bowl and set it aside. Step 2. Next, you need to bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. You don't want it to be boiling, as that can be too harsh on the delicate egg. Step 3. Now, take a slotted spoon and give the water a gentle stir. This will help create a little whirlpool in the pot. Step 4. Now, carefully pour your egg into the center of the whirlpool. The whirlpool will help the egg white wrap around the yolk, creating that classic poached egg shape. Step 5. Let the egg cook for about 3 minutes. You want the egg white to be set, but the yolk to still be runny. Step 6. Now, use your slotted spoon to carefully lift the egg out of the water. You can use a paper towel to gently blot any excess water off the egg. And there you have it, the perfect poached egg. Serve it on toast, with some avocado or spinach, or however you like. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and make that perfect poached egg. Do like, share and subscribe for more recipes and cooking tips.